Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusianfo, and then many abre and kasa. Many abre. Now, ebusianfo mu say na mfifiri wo me ho a sweat all over. Munu na ekoso. Dum so no, enye easy o. He say dum so no enye easy. Na we kra no timetable ni ho. Kire say asa obi wo ECG honum no. O sorry na o feel say obeso doom light na we doom light no. Eti Ghana for pa eti when I yepe. Bibi say na yepe. Is this what we wanted? He got to about tia MPP government no. When I yepe na got to about tia MPP government. But I mushe minim. Mushe sweat all over. Wow, we are content creator, creating content boom. We say no, my battery akabe 30% and I miss me find content way. As I say, my content no so I miss me bindi. Na my content no so I musu munye bin share. Na mahama pa die. Mahama ni ndisi pa die. Eti heaven no meko bi. Heaven no ndisi for ni mahama meko bi. Akufo-Addo Babemu 2017. From 2017 to 2024, it was only 10 weeks, 2 months. Now there were issues with our light. 10 weeks. And Ukraine 2023 honum. Napo was Minister of Energy. And then Napo making sure say was solving. Napo making sure say within 2 months no or solve ye. Now ya koto abamamu. Say muna mba bebe ye ni adeni ye. Na afi ya koto abamamu ye no. Mushe na muye. Look at how you are treating us. Oh, look at the sweat. All over my face. Bonnie Bain, NDC, Bonnie Bain. I didn't know you something to me in a year. And the Jano say, to me, I didn't year. Leave it the way you came to find it. Leave it. After my best side, I didn't cry. When Akufo-Addo was leaving power, sit 7 January, light was on. And that is when this John Jinapo started talking about 5 hours of food. And I said, 5 hours of food is free. And so free, essence Akufo-Addo has been in power. Herbert Krapper, energy minister. Obianka fuel as same. Light will ho. Light one I want to mean now pay. Light no ho. Because of share TV, or share TV. You see, go for a subscription DSTV crying to me share TV no to say light ni ho. Bonnie Bain. Now, what kind of case at all have we gone to put upon ourselves, Ghanaians? What kind of case have we gone to put upon ourselves? I go for Beka say, Kokuti kamema ko demian to me abeko. Be lightly. Mbe amekele light na mila media miu. Nipa o my light ne si yempe ono. Ba o me aka say ade we no ebe year yen 2000 megawatt of solar panel to take care of household. Ghana for say debi mumpe sa omumpe and a come di omu kenke bo. Na ende mushe menim. Mushe fi free. Mushe. Na mistake for few people have gone to make no. Na ye me yani say, ye to make us say ya to Bama MPP no, ba me ye president. Mo amutu mama nye mu president. Anka be ya de no sa. Because ya say, ya nyina both the people who have sense who went to vote for Baumia and the people who did not have sense who went to vote for Mahamanu, we all will be in the same basket and will suffer. We'll be keeping light on for eight good years. 8 good years, now light will on. 8 good years, now light will on. Obia anka say oh say ni say one be my excuse say na gas line no and na gas line ye call ye repair na say obia one be my say excuse is da. And be my excuse is da. Light has been on. You see empel no. You see on empel no. You see nipa obe doom light no na yepe. You see nipa o catch you say you was short memory no na yepe. You see nipa odi ye ya ban be masle queens no. You see onu na yepe. Eni ye ne. Na mo amuhwe. You see content no so ntimi create bio. Say hit e wo ho no. Untimi. Hit e wo dem no. Untimi create content na. Person create cra uni u phone battery nye dia. Untimi anase u camera battery nye dia. U laptop battery nye dia. Untimi nye ho hwi. Ye kwa na say ye ba. Are we progressing or are we retrogressing? And then when it's going to me bring my hammer because mama okay or see what be reset here again. Reset is meaning your name say reset no. It's going back to what was there before whoever came to do it well. That is reset. We said it. We explained it to Ghanaians. Say reset, that is what it means. Kind of force the kinky. Na eneno kinky ni buono akofo ndebi light nusu yenyebi kinky buono akofo mu light nusu yenyebi fa ye ejuma they say no scanner yenya di talking kenu kra no they say yenya sa scanner talking ke bium wenina kana for ekomudie gang and akomudie and a will and a will. Hey. Na nti abano mutumi nye hwefa ho. Na se mama won so at least onkopa baba mi acho na ye man nkrofo bi wo MPP mu na mko Ministry of Energy hoko boane. Because we dey me break for save me cost save for 4 years o. Debi. Me tina dey with me for 4 years and they me. Feel free say. Sweating like this for 4 years. Oh, empire. boy, my Ghana. Because say for 4 years, a paucho. A paucho. Say boni bi ayaye. Enti na o sandi mahama ababa mu biuma. A paucho. This is too much for us to bear. It's too much. See where we are sweating. We are sweating. There is no light. We are sweating, God. We are sweating. Fanu hopeless when you juma. Esi oho and 20 minutes juma. Adentia. Is it in my light? Is it in my light? Reset no. Kwen foi. Se cri, se cra foi. Omunimu. Se ebo. Ye beauty o mayo. This has been a political rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana Sem TV. Kindly like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, enjoy the doomso. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.